The rainy season has honestly been a lot this year, especially for those in Accra and even some parts of the Volta region and beyond. And I would say that my heart really goes out to everyone who has been affected by the rain in one way or the other. Hey, call me Hollister.
Head over heels in love, right in front of you, ain't gotta look no more, baby.
I think we can all agree that it hasn't been easy seeing people lose their homes, their belongings, their businesses, and just having to deal with so much because of the rains. It is really sad. So my heart really goes out to everyone who has been affected in one way or the other. For me, I would say I have also been affected, but in a very small way. And honestly, I am just grateful that it hasn't been worse. Mine is basically my kitchen. Whenever it rains, water finds its way inside. And because of that, anything I have on the floor gets wet. And so after a while, I just got tired of moving things around every time it rained. So I finally decided to get something off my bucket list. Remember this video from last year? Yeah, this was my younger sister and I. We were at China Mall contemplating whether I should get the storage rack or just wait until I felt it is very much necessary and needed. But look at me now. Look at where I am now. Yeah. I don't even know why I kept postponing it. I kept saying that I'll get it, and I just never did. So I feel like this year's rain was just like, okay, since you don't want to listen, let me show you why you need this thing. So yes, I finally got it. And I was actually very happy to set it up because I have been wanting to organize those things properly for the longest time. And so once I finished putting everything on it, I was just like, finally. And while I was at it, I also got myself a gas burner. And this one has actually made things so much easier for me. Because before, cooking was basically me waiting for one thing to finish before I could start another. More like I'll put the rice on and wait for it to finish before I start the stew. Then I'll wait for the stew before I fry the plantain. And sometimes by the time I am done cooking, I am already tired. But now I can do everything at the same time. Now I can cook simultaneously. If there's anything called simultaneously, I can cook simultaneously. Now I don't have to wait for the rice to get done before I prepare my stew. Wait for the stew to get done before I fry my plantain. I'm doing all of them at a go. Damn. Do you have a gas burner? You don't? Oh, I'm sorry. Rice here, stew here, plantain frying. Everything is just happening together.
In Ghana, anytime it is cloudy outside, then you need to prepare everything that you can before the light goes out. And so right now the cloud is cloudy. I mean, outside is cloudy, and someone in the neighborhood just turned on their, how do they call it, their generator. I don't know if they've already given them light out, but I need to prepare my ingredients for dinner. Ooh. The onion is entering my eyes real bad. And so yeah, I'm trying to prepare the ingredients that I would have to blend before the light goes out. So watch me do it. It's funny how up until this stage the lights are not out yet, and if they should take this light out right now, I don't know how I'm going to finish cooking, because yeah, everywhere is going to be dark and it's evening time over here already, so you can imagine. I'd wanted to do this since afternoon, but I can't blame myself. Oh my god, it has started raining. I need to close the window. So I'm still cooking. Up until this stage, ECG has not taken their light. What is happening? Hey, I still have light too. And it's been raining for close to 15 minutes now, and I still have light. ECG, what happened? Hey, is Jesus coming? Please let me know so that I repent, okay?
And I think because I can now do all these things at once, I have also entered my baking era. Hello. Because these days I am just craving pastries. Anything baked, I want it. Anything grilled, I want it. Plantain that is grilled, I want it. I don't know what is happening, so I decided to start trying some things for myself. Yeah, and this was my first batch of foods that I have tried cooking with my gas burner.
Ever since I got my gas burner, I've been craving grilled baked foods for a while now, and today I'm craving oven roasted plantain. Yesterday I did the pastry thing that I was craving for, and today we're working with some plantains. I don't know if it's just the overexcitement of getting a gas burner. And you know, my previous apartment actually limited me from getting one because there was no space. That room actually limited me from getting a lot of things.
So yeah, that was basically my little home update. Until the next video, kisses.